Ruski's Crypto Cave here, and today's video is going to be about DIMO. I might be a little bit late to the party on it. I do not have a device, but I do have the mobile app, and that's what we're going to go through today. But before we get into it, don't forget, subscribe. Giving away this 2070 Super. It's the old GPU that was in my desktop editing rig that I replaced with a 4070 Ti. Wasn't really used all that much, didn't mind on it. But I'm going to give it away once I get to the 1,000 subs. And as you can see, we are at 938. Thanks to DJ Mines. He shouted me out the other day in one of his streams and getting me about 30-some subscribers, I think. So thank you for that. But anyway, now let's get into the meat and potatoes of the video. We are going to be talking about DIMO. There's a couple different ways with DIMO. It's been out for a while. You could download an app. You can purchase a device. They have the AutoPi. What else is there? And the Macaron, and then using your car's app. If you have a late model vehicle within the last couple of years and your vehicle manufacturer has their own app, you can connect it right through that way. That is the way I am doing it because these devices, as you see, are back ordered 8 to 12 weeks out. So that's 2 to 3 months. It could take a while, could take longer, may come sooner, who knows. But if you want to start earning right away, you can download the app, and it's probably one of the easier ways to do it. I personally have a Toyota Tacoma, so I use that. So actually, let me start recording on the phone, and I'll put that video in here as well. And just count down, just to make sure it starts doing it. Yep, there we go. All right, so I got the. I'll put the screen recording of the phone on here as well. So we're recording the screen of the phone. I'm logged in my app. Just shows a picture of the Tacoma there and range to my tank is empty and all that stuff. And this is all information that the vehicle app from Toyota collects itself anyway. So if they're collecting that information, you're not getting squat for it. DIMO collects it too, and you get a few DIMO each week for it. First couple weeks, I didn't get a whole lot. I only got 7 DIMO for the first 4 weeks, I believe it was. And then I recently hit level 2. And I'm going in the app, and you'll see. And the most recent period, last Monday, it went from 7 to 12. And then this week, I'm sure it's going to be 12 as well. And I currently have a total of 33 DIMO. I am looking for... There it is. That's what I wanted. See, it says level 2. I have 17 weeks until level 3. I'm not sure what the amount's going to bump up to for level 3. I'm guessing it's going to be more. And pretty much, as it says right there in the app, too, you just have to drive your vehicles at least once per week to remain qualified for baseline rewards. You do not receive extra rewards for driving more. Unlike Hive Mapper, where you drive more miles, take more pictures, so on and so forth. And those devices are way back ordered. It's like the fall or something like that, something crazy. But the DIMO app is free. You can download it right now, connect it with Toyota's. It's connected services, or remote connect, whatever you want to call it. And that's what I have set up with mine. And actually, I'll pop in here. And then this is the Toyota app. Pulling the same information, distance to empty, all that type of stuff. I can lock and unlock it from the app and start it, so on and so forth. The remote start is free for the first year with Toyota. So this will expire October of this year for me. And then it's something like $9 a month or something like that. But that's not the point of this video. But so anyway, yeah. So back in here, like I said, I got 12 last week. I got a total of 33. So let's go over to Coin Market Cap. I have DIMO pulled up. 33 DIMO, $16.43 for doing what I normally do. And it's just been sitting in the app. DIMO is listed on Coinbase, so you could sell it on Coinbase. There's a few steps you have to withdraw it, basically with like MetaMask and Polygon and whatnot. And but I'm just gonna let it stack up in there for a while, and then maybe once to get to 100, maybe then cash them out or something like that. I don't know, who knows. I'll figure that part out when that time comes. But for the time being, just letting it stack in there. It's basically free rewards for doing something that I normally do anyway. And the information, if you have an app with your vehicle, the data is getting collected already. So, may as well be rewarded for that data that's being collected, instead of just the vehicle manufacturers collecting it and selling it to their partners and stuff too. At least with DIMO, you could get a tiny little sliver of rewards for that, and it's free as long as you have a smartphone. That's all you need. Just download the app and run it that way. And you could get more rewards if you do have one of those devices. If you're willing to wait, go ahead, make your own decisions, do your own research. I haven't purchased one. I have not ordered one. I'm just going to go through using the app just because, hey, it's free. It doesn't cost me anything, so. And just download the app and use it that way. So there is no referral. There's no like referral links or anything like that, but I do have a referral code, which I'll leave in the description below. You'll get 50 free DIMO. I will get 50 free DIMO as well. And you don't have to purchase anything. I think you just you can download the app, hook it up, and then I think after the first week, once you get your first rewards, we both get our payouts. So if you want to support the channel, I appreciate that. If you're already involved in DIMO, great job jumping on it earlier than myself. I've been on it for maybe a month now, just messing around with it. So I figured may as well make a little video about it and we'll go from there. So, but so far it's going well. Not complaining. $16 for free is $16 for free. I mean, it's like lunch, basically a free lunch every now and then. But my game plan is I'll probably just let it stack and accumulate and just see where it goes, because it's not like I have to recoup any electricity costs or anything like that. So if you get a nice little run in the bull market and it gets a good pump, then maybe I'll unload it then. But as of right now, I think I'm just gonna sit on it and just let it accumulate and see what happens. So I see it as a free shot. It's a free lottery ticket if you want to look at it that way. So, but thanks for checking out my video, and let me know in the comments below if you already are using DIMO, if you have one of the devices hooked up to your OBD2 sensors, or if you're using the app as well already. But let me know what you guys think of it, and until next video, we'll catch you later.